Good morning, guys. It's Judo. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I have egg in my mouth and TikToks. Yes. So I'm just picking some stuff from Marshall. Marsha. That's how you say it with the TikToks in my mouth. But I'm picking up some stuff, so that is kind of cool and exciting. Just doing like that right now, and then I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I know I'm helping Marsha doing things. I don't know what I'm doing. Kind of crazy how much we are getting done, and it's kind of crazy, and it's kind of cool. So I'll talk to you guys when we pick up this stuff from Marsha. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna go to Marsha's and to help her out again. You guys must be sick and tired of that. You guys helping Marsha out, but hey, I'm gonna be doing what I can do to help other people out. We gotta clean the bathroom, guys. That's what we can do. Go organize in the bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.